Yeah, so if you click on add to cart here, as you can see, the count is changing. And if you here, you can see all the things that items that we have added in the cart is sorry, kind of visible here. And we similarly click on add to wish list, we click here. You can see the product in the wish list. So this is what we call a model, and that's something that we're going to create today. So there are like multiple options. If you are using like some kind of a framework like Material UI or anything, then you can easily create a model. It has got some inbuilt features from which you can create a model. Or otherwise, if you're using some native scripts like the one that we are having right now, in this case you can use a native library. Like for example, you have the React model, so you can use that.
Nandra,
Yeah.
we are not able to hear. There is a lot of disturbance coming in.
Okay. Yeah, am I audible, guys?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. Yeah, so what I was saying is, like, if you're using a UX library like Material UI, then it's very easy to create a model. It has got some inbuilt features and functionalities. Although if you're using a native script like we are using right now, then in that case, we may have to use anything which is like kind of built in with native JavaScript or TypeScript framework. So I found this React model. This is basically one of the most commonly used, model library for native scripts. So for like so for these kind of things, you just have to follow the documentation. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to npm install this React model. Let's wait for the installation to complete.
Are you installing this for Material UI?
No, this is not for Material UI. This is for native scripts. So yeah, so I have installed this, and now let's start working on it. The first thing that we're going to do is like we are going to create a component. Excuse me. So it's close context for some time. Let's come to the card section. These are elements. Yeah, within the elements, I can create a model. And inside the model, as we know, as we are following the standards, we will have a model.js, and we can have a index.js. Okay, now so what you can do is first thing is we import React from React, and we import model from React. Model layover, say layover Something as for now. Export this model layer. So now we have this model. Now, so what is this model going to contain? The first thing that is going to contain is the state. A state that is going to maintain whether the model is open or not. So the state model is open and set model state. First, we have dot new state. Okay. We write it as true. Oh, sorry, for the first time we write it false. Okay. Now we can use this model component here. Now this model will contain a few functions. So if you come here to the documentation, if you go to the bottom, you find this is your model. So it takes is open. A function it can take like on after open. So which basically defines what happens after you open the model. On request close, which means that the model on the top right you have the close button. So what happens if you close on that? Then you have some style and you have the content label. So the first thing that we're going to do is take these styles because we don't want to waste our time styling components as of now. We just take this one for now and we'll come here and we oops. Okay, so now it gets copied. Now, so we pass this. So we pass this to the styles prop. What's the name of it? Custom styles. Okay, and then you have a few other things like one thing is the content label. So we will take it this content label as a prop. So we write it here. Content. We destructure the object. So we take content label. And we render it here. And we also take this is open is like this one. The model is open. And these two things on after open and on after on request close. Now we will just copy it for now. Okay, these are some functions that we are also going to take from the props, whatever we pass. So we will accept it from there. So let's just write it for now. One will be close model. One will be after open model. After open model. So now our model component is completed. Now, where we are going to require this model component is in here. When we click on these things, then we require our model component to fire. Okay, so let's do one thing. Okay, wait. What about mm, mm, okay. So they want us to like inject these things into the model component. So we will do that. Let's just something like this, and then let's close the model tab. Okay. We'll style it later on. So yeah, most of the things for okay, one thing is there. All these things that we are passing here in the model, only uh, only some of the things should be staying here, not all. And I'll discuss what things should stay here and what not in some time. But first, let's run it to see if it works. So in order to open this model, all I have to do is just model is open. Okay. And I have to trigger and I have to basically use set model state and set it to true. So let's do one thing. Let's write it content model, close model. Okay, so to also receive this variable as a prop, let's say model is open. Model is open, and we set it as the initial state, and for on close, on request close, we have this close model function. So we will define it here only. Constant what is it? Close model equals to s equals to close model. Yeah, just set the model state to false. That's all that we have to do for now. And yeah, so okay, now let's see this works. So we required it in our home page section where we had no in the navbar section. In the navbar. So these are the like URLi things. So you have to associate the on click event here. You have to render the module on the click. So what we are going to do is we are going to let's say card model set card when starting it will be false and constant what order Set. We will have, let's say, set card model state. We pass through to it. So all we have to do now is like this is a link. Okay, link is not defined. So we have to import this link. Import from okay, React router is not there. I think it should be there only. And here's React DOM and React models. Okay, React router is not there. Okay, it's no issues then. So we just then make it a button. Just let's just see it for once, just to make sure it does not break our existing style. Okay. It does break our style in some way. Okay. So let's remove this then. Because it's breaking our CSS. We don't want it like this, but on the LI, I'm not sure if the on page is going to work. So let's see if we can execute this. So on click, we set the card model set state. Sorry, state. Let's just copy this. And I also want to render the model wherein I'll send the prop to it. So the model's sorry, the model's primary prop is model is open and content label. So we'll be sending that. Let's first import this model. Yeah. So on the model, I'll simply pass the content label. And just drag this down. And the content label maybe, let's say, example model for now. And model is open. We pass the type model state. Model is not defined. We have to import this model over from the model, and this actually should be model over. Okay, and the closed model has already been declared. Okay. This is not. Okay. Line 4. Closed model is already defined. For now, model is open has already been defined. Okay. So model is open now. Let's say. Okay, let's see now. The one on the system one. Okay. Okay, state didn't get updated. So probably we forgot to save our file in home.js, not in home.js, and in the nav file. Is anyone 3000? Okay. I think if a function is getting called, and let's also see if we are reaching the model. So, function of log. It's a comma. Model is block. And I'm going to save this also. Debug. So you got model getting rendered 2 times and it's undefined. Now it says function got called, which means that which means that it has reached this card model state. On click thing is working. Now we have the card model state.
अतुल जुलाई
Okay. Yeah. So one of the reasons why this is not getting rendered is because I think the model state is always true. That's the reason. So when you click on this card, and then it should basically pass the model here, model open block to be true. So your React model is open will become true. So here is open will become true, and then it should basically render the same. So let's close everything. Let's come back here. Click on card. It says function got called and true. I think it's from here. From the nav bar. Yeah, so function got called, and then card model state is it's getting us true. That's why, since I already told you that the any JSX element will re-render itself if the state changes. But in our case, the state is not changing. It's remaining as true. That's why this model is not getting rendered. So, so one thing that we have to check, like what's happening for the closed model. If you have this button on click, so we have to define something here in a nav bar. Constant close model. And we give the set card model state. Card model state false. And to this we pass this. Make this close. Close model layover. It works now. It says function not true, function not true. Okay. So, Okay, I think model is open, is coming here, model open problem. So let's use a use effect to see how this model opens stage. Hmm. As you can see, every time the function was called, but the use effect did not get called. The use effect only got called once and it was undefined. After that, it never got called. So that's because when all your things are true only, then it won't like re-render the thing. Just comment again. Says function got called and function got called true. So function are called true means that this is getting fired at model set state. Um, but yeah, but this model is not getting fired because of that. So okay. Mm. One thing. Let's do one thing. Let's just fire a button from here just to see if the configurations are correct. Hmm. Mm. 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 Okay. Mm. Send reference error subtitle is not defined. I think we are using somewhere subtitles, which is not defined. This one. Mm. Let's remove it for now. Let's keep it something else, Mm. This way. Now we are getting the model. So this is like a sample model. This is not what we want to build actually. Okay. And we also should have this close button, otherwise we can't go with the close button in here. And close button doesn't seem to work. When you click on close, what happens? Not able to close now. So I think just you need to call this close model, right? Check again. Make it control, close it, and now it's getting closed also. Okay, then that's good. So I think that the only thing that's remaining is just the integration with navbar.js. Which is the you don't need this prop anymore. You can remove this prop. And model is open, it says part model state. Yeah, so let's come back here. Model is open, it says card model state. And card model states let's just do one thing. Okay, I think this is also not going to work because so the thing is like if you click on this close model layover, which is like close model, if we are confirming that with this one, we're clicking on that and we're going the close model, then a similar thing should also get transmitted to the to the snapbird or JS component. Otherwise, this is not it will not know whether the module is open or closed. So for that, we simply create the this here. So in the context, we go to engine types first. Then export calls. So correspond model. Then actions we create a corresponding action for that. Export action. State. Okay, not model open. Model open state. Card model, card model open state. And then user in the action model open state. Oh, sorry. This should not be in the actions. Action should be type would be types not payment Julie cards. And next.js, let's just paste this and put it as false for main machine time. Just come to the reducer now. And okay. Okay. So all now we have to do is when from the place where we're calling this, and then have bar, we use our use state hook that we created. Import use state. What was the name of the use products there? Import product dispatch. Constant here. Sorry, in the mobile section. Use the import import using the action. And then we will import the use action. Use the so this is the dispatch function we are going to so when you have this model, you get this on click the load model option at this point of time. We did going to dispatch and pass card. Or maybe not this way. We use a user textbook. And inside the use spec, we just need to dispatch state action, which is on the local, and send whatever you there. So then now send the model, all you have to do now here is you have to use this use product state and use product. So primarily the use product state here. So we can so from there we can take the local state and then This is fast for you. Now it's working. Okay, so this warning is coming from the model.js page, and it's not required to be read that way. So let's come back to app. Different parts. So we do a little bit of a cleanup of code. We will move on the console and options we use for the debugging purposes. We will give us control and then reducer we have a create console logs. From there also. And then in this user we have this from there. So our model is working now. So what we have to do now is we have to render the items that have been added to the cart. And for that, we can take, so we already have the state defined. All we have to do is in the model component, we have to change a little bit of things, or maybe we will not change anything in the model component. We will create some child components and then kind of append it to the existing model component. Okay, so that's something that we will do tomorrow. Let's go through once what we are left with. Model integration is fine. Oh yeah, it's integration. That's one thing. Second thing that I wanted to you to know is TypeScript. Something is once a model is integrated, I think wish list. The creation of wish list. So yeah, I think now it's excluding the TypeScript. We will try to cover this 1 and 3 tomorrow in the next session. And yeah, for the time being, just let's stay with what our model component does. It creates a layover and brings forward something which you can use in order to collect data or in order to highlight a certain section of the JSX that you want. Okay, guys. So let me know if you have any questions from today's session or from any of the previous sessions. Nine idea. Hi guys, are you there? Anyone? Divya, Radhika, Sadhika, Swapna?
No, sir, ma'am, I'm fine.
Okay, then let's meet tomorrow and let's try to cover those the cart and wish list, and then it will be pretty much done. And then we can move to TypeScript and Sagas, and then we will discuss some interview questions, and that should be the end of it. Okay, guys, then see you tomorrow. Have a good day.